Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Watch Chef at whatever.com. And today we're going to make Masala Fry Idly. This has also become very popular nowadays. In a lot of restaurants, with the leftover idlis, they convert them into Masala Idlis. For this Masala Idlis, you cannot use the freshly made idlis. They have to be made at least 2-3 hours. That's why the leftover idlis are used. If you use the fresh idlis, you will not be able to cut them because they will be so soft that they will break easily. In this, to get the awesome flavor, I'm going to use garlic. Just crush them a little bit, and then we're going to temper the idlis. You can also use vegetables, but usually the onions, tomato, the curry leaf, and I'm using some bell pepper because that gives a very fresh flavor to the leftover idlis. Idlis have a little bit of sour taste because they are made from the fermented dough. To convert this, especially at homes, whenever you make idlis for the children in the morning, keep little extra idlis, and the evening when they come, just saute it and give it. They will thoroughly enjoy. In fact, I have shown earlier how to make these kind of idlis with the gunpowder, with a lot of other masala powders what we do. But today I'm going to add a lot of fresh greens. Crush garlic. I love garlic in this because that gives a very nice strong flavor to this leftover idlis. Fine. Now add oil. Now we're going to do the tempering. So you want to make sure that the oil is hot and the mustard seeds crackle. Once we have the mustard seeds crackling, add cumin seeds and chopped garlic. The crushed garlic from the ding chick and ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic paste, if you are using, use the fresh ginger garlic paste, not the store-bought ginger garlic paste, which often have little bit of stale flavor. In this, add curry leaf. In this, add chopped onion. You want this mixture to be dried out, and you can also add a little bit of extra oil. I would prefer ghee to this, but if you want to add oil, that is fine. In this, add a little bit of turmeric. Just saute the onions. The flame should be a little bit high, and you want the onions to get kind of slightly edges brown kind of texture. When you do that, the onions will get lightly sweet flavor. That also adds to this taste. In this, a little bit of garam masala, some coriander powder, some chilli powder, and salt. Just add salt. Now add tomatoes. These tomatoes, they are slightly juicy, but if they are not that juicy, it's even more better. You just want them to dry out. So that's why it's good always to use a pan which has got a bigger mouth like this. Add chopped coriander leaf. Luckily I have capsicum here, 3 colors, green, yellow, just to make it look good. Especially if your children, they will love these colors, and also the flavors. Saute it till this slightly oozes out the oil, and cut the idlis in such a way. They are leftover idlis. Usually on Saturdays, a lot of people make idli for dinner, and the leftover you can serve as a breakfast. Cut them into pieces like this, and your kids will just love it. Now you can see this tomato, oozing out this oil. Add the pieces of our thing, saute them. Good. You have this masala idli. Just and there is some moisture from the tomatoes. You want that also. You want the idlis to get nicely heated up. Just put the lid on just for 1 minute, and then again one more toss, and we're going to serve it. This masala, they are not only made with idlis, even with uttapam kind of things. They make a little bit fat uttapam, and they cut it into pieces and they make it into this. Look at this. This will look like the potato fry or something like that, but this is very tasty. Perfect. Ready to eat. The masala curry style idli, they taste very good. Even the other ones you should check out. The gunpowder fried idlis, they also taste really good. You can have this in the evening. In fact, for a meal also you can have it, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. India, we call it the nation of jugaad. We can make any jugaad, even with the leftovers. With the parathas, we have converted into awesome dishes, leftover parathas, leftover rotis, and idlis also. We have done this awesome masala fried idli, and they taste really good. Some of the masala you can pull it out and enjoy. Dear friends, keep cooking awesome dishes, keep saying vareva, and enjoy life. This is just too good. Mm. Mm.